The return of Jesus seems closer and closer every day. But read the headline here: the Jerusalem Post, when blood spills on Passover and Easter, it's time to build the temple. Opinion: what is Hamas' greatest fear? That Israel will start to build the temple. So this is a opinion piece, but it's still very, very important because the conversation is beginning to get louder. Let's build the third temple. Build the third temple. If you read in this article on the Jerusalem Post, you can go look for it. Just search out, build the temple on Jerusalem Post. Look, this gentleman, Thule Weiss, is talking literally about what's the events that happened over the last couple days. With Hamas trying to disrupt Holy Week, the Passover week for Israel. And the idea of this article is, look, shrug off the nonsense. I know there was bloodshed and it's awful, and we ask the Lord to bless those who family who died and so on. But look, the Palestinian terrorists, the Hamas terrorists, these people are nervous. They know that God is ready to deliver Israel and the world. And one of the requirements is in prophecy is the third temple being built. Now, I know there's this thought process going around that you could build it in your heart by learning the ways of the structure of Solomon's temple, but no, it will be built. It will be built. The Temple Institute is currently building everything, all the articles of worship, all the utensils, the candlesticks, everything. They're getting ready. The red heifer is coming back. I mean, it's phenomenal. I mean, they might already have it. This is a year ago. They talked about it. They were like 99% red heifer, pure red heifer. So it's really close. Really close. Beware. It's about to happen. What needs to happen is, they all come together. Like this quote here: reasonable Jewish, Christian, and Muslim leadership should use this recent wave of Islamic violence to immediately begin discussing partial or practical and peaceful steps for the rebuilding of the temple on the Temple Mount. I like it because that's just one more day closer. And as Dennis Prager always says, read the last paragraph. Rather than lamenting the terrible violence that disrupted Passover, Easter, and Ramadan, we must take steps to prevent religious violence from causing further blood to be spilled in the streets of Jerusalem. It's time for peace-loving Jews, Christians, and Muslims to come together and build the house of prayer for all nations. Rabbi Thule Weiss, the founder of Israel 365. So yeah, we should pray for the peace of Israel. Pray that the violence stops, and pray that third temple be built, because I believe that will usher in the last week of Daniel. The church will be snatched away, as the book of First Thessalonians talks about. Good times. But it's happening. The temple. You think it'll be built soon? I don't know, but I'm believing. Any moment now. The conversation. It's beginning.